In solution-focused therapy, change begins in the mind, but it doesn't have to stay there. Visual tools help make progress visible. They bring abstract ideas to life, giving clients something they can see, touch, and build on. When we use visual tools, we give clients more than language. We give them a map, a snapshot of where they are and where they want to go. One of the most powerful visuals in SFT is the scaling line. Instead of just asking, on a scale from 0 to 10, where are you today? We draw it out, a simple horizontal line with numbers spaced from 0 to 10. Then we ask the client to mark where they are right now, where they were last week, where they'd like to be. This turns the abstract into the concrete. Clients see their movement. They notice that even going from a 2 to a 3 is real progress. We can also ask them to write or draw what each number represents. What does a 4 look like for you? What's happening at 6 that isn't happening now? These details build out a visual roadmap for growth. Another tool is the miracle map. After asking the miracle question, we invite clients to draw or list the signs of change they'd see if the problem disappeared overnight. Who would notice? What would be different in their body language, their relationships, their habits? These drawings become symbols of hope, artifacts of the preferred future. For younger clients or anyone more visually inclined, tools like colored cards, emotion wheels, or build your day timelines can make sessions more engaging and expressive. And for families or couples, visual tools invite collaboration. A shared drawing of what better looks like opens up conversation, alignment, and connection. Even Post-it notes can be powerful. One client, one step, one strength per note. By the end of the session, you've filled a wall with evidence of progress. We can also use metaphors visually. A mountain for challenges, a bridge for next steps, a garden for strengths that need nurturing. Each image invites reflection and turns therapy into a shared creative process. Visual tools also anchor change. Clients can take a photo of their scaling line or miracle map. They leave with something tangible, a reminder that change is real and already underway. These tools are especially useful when words fall short. When clients say, "I don't know how to explain it," we say, "Let's draw it instead." And often they do. Visuals tap into a different kind of knowing. They help people think in images, emotions, and patterns, not just sentences. And most importantly, they create momentum. When you can see progress, you believe in it. So next time a session feels stuck or abstract, bring out a marker. Draw a scale. Sketch a future. And let the client show you the way forward, one line, image, or idea at a time. Because in SFT, change isn't just something we talk about. It's something we can see,